This video shows how to replace the rear drive in a PowerEdge R750. Before you begin, power off the system and disconnect all attached peripherals. When the drive indicators are off, the drive is ready for removal. Ensure you always use ESD protection when working inside the system. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/PowerEdge manuals. To begin, first, you need to press the release button to open the drive carrier release handle. Once the drive handle is released, hold the release handle, then slide the drive carrier out of the system. To replace the drive, you need to align the drive carrier to the drive slots on the system. Then, slide the drive carrier into the drive slot. Finally, close the release handle to lock the drive in place. You've replaced the rear drive on a PowerEdge R750. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/PowerEdge manuals.